Okay, so I'm gonna tell you how to create a swoosh using signal generator by Pro Tools. First, I have to create a clip length. Then I go into Audio Suite and I open up Signal Generator. I choose pink noise and I generate a continuous file. The level is okay because it will be too loud anyway. And when I click on render, I get a sound file which sounds exactly like pink noise. I'm gonna play it to you. So that's my pink noise, and what I can do now is I can shape this pink noise into a swoosh, or into a wind, or into an ocean wave. Whatever has a lot of noise content can be used using pink noise from the signal generator. I insert a equalizer. I'm going to use the EQ37 band for this, and I will activate the low pass and the high pass filter. I'm going to set the Q to a narrow 18 or 24 dB per octave. Same with the low pass filter. And now when I use the two frequency buttons, I can open up those two automation lines here. So I'm gonna need the high pass frequency, and I can close this window, and I'm gonna need the low pass frequency, which is here. And now I have my pink noise, and I can use the automation line to basically cut off all the frequencies, and I don't hear anything anymore. And now I can start play around with it. For example, like this. So that would be something like an ocean wave. When I add reverb to it, then it will sound quite realistic. Now, when I want to create a swoosh, I have to do something rather like this. For example, or I can also add more highs to it, like this. And I can choose how long my animation, where the starting point is. For example, here I create a memory location until here. So this would be a second, which is rather long for a swoosh, for a movement. It might be only like, I don't know, 10 frames or something, and then I can create my swooshes. What I often do is I use the signal generator to generate a sound for an incoming object. So an object like flying from the sky and approaching me. So I will do this here. Now it would fly away. And the opposite would be now it would be a flyby. I need a reverb to accompany. So I create a new track, I create a reverb, send, which goes either to my bus master or in this case just to the output. I solo save it and I add a reverb to create outdoor feeling. I'm gonna use the reverb everybody knows, the deverb. I'm gonna get the automation line. See how this sounds. Now I'm really outdoor. So I can play around with those frequencies. I can make that one steeper. So I have more energy in the signal. I can cut more or less highs. Now it's almost a jet fighter. I can still play with my volume, which creates an even bigger effect, like this. Or it's further away, so I don't need to raise the volume. Now it's further away. And I often use the signal generator together with a sound from the library or a swoosh to create the proper length for the animation. But most important is that the animation and the sound are at the same length.